to come at the stage. Put a big hand, guys.
Hello everyone, good morning one and all present over here. This is Aman Mishra, student of class 12th, and my aim is to join Flying Branch of Indian Air Force. Today I got a golden opportunity to stay here and say something about the topic education. So I would like to start my topic education with the definition of education. The definition of education is to the learning of relevant things is called education. It means to say that what we are studying in our day-to-day life, the things which are relevant, we have to apply them in our day-to-day life. There are some purposes of education. The first purpose of education is education makes a man quality of man. It means to say that a man without education is incomplete. Education makes a man complete. An educated person is respected everywhere. It has been said that in Sanskrit, in a sloka, विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयाद याति पात्रताम पात्रत्वाद धर्मा पनोति धनाद धर्मस्त सुखम. It means to say that education leads to sensibility, sensibility attains character, and from character wealth comes, and from wealth good deeds, and from good deeds joy comes. So we can say that education makes a man quality of man. And my second point is education gives us judging power. It means to say that education gives us judging power about a lot of things, such as political party, which political party is right for us and which political party is wrong for us. It also tell about the social issue which are happening in our society, which is right and which is wrong. So we can say that education gives us judging power. And my third point is education creates our life comfortable, bright and successful. Day by day our technology is getting advanced. Day by day our technology is getting advanced, and advanced technology is making humanity intelligent. So we can say that with the advanced technology our life become comfortable. If we are well educated, then money will come to us, and from that money if we help the poor people, we will become God for them. So we can say that our life become bright. If any person gets adequate education, there is nothing to lose and everything to gain. An educated person know how to win the hearts of other person. An educated person is always with optimistic thinking and a great smile on his face. This criteria of men makes him successful. And my fourth point is education eliminates superstition, confliction, petty things, spite, evils, and all the rubbish things and makes us pure. Some common superstition, common and popular in India is a cat crossing a road means chances of accident. Seeing a man goes considering good luck. A cat is crawling means guests are arriving. Some educated people also take their belief in this. But according to the definition of education, they will not consider as well educated. In rural area, many of the people become victim due to various superstitions. In rural areas, many of the women are burned or killed by various painful ways only because they are thought to be witches. Many of the people kill their girl child at the time of birth called foeticide only because they are unable to pay the dowry. In rural areas, people believe in this superstition because they don't have proper education. They don't know about the various reasons and scientific facts. Therefore, they often believe in this superstition, which are told to them by other selfish people. This doesn't allow them to spend a normal life, but they still follow them because they think if they will not follow them, then they have to face some legal consequences. So, if anyone comes to know the actual truth behind the meaningless superstition, then their fear from mind will abolish. So we can say that education is the powerful weapon to fight against the superstition. And now there is something lack of education system. So I would like to tell about the lack of education system. The first lack of education system is learners are teachers. The person who is not getting any job in society are opening coaching institute and giving guarantee to student, if you will join our coaching institute, you will get 100 out of 100 in your exam. But they don't know anything. And my second lack of education point is education. Our education system is totally exam oriented rather than knowledge. It means to say that such education instructors are providing such VVI questions and saying that if you will learn all this BBI question, you will able to pass the exam. Due to this, they are playing with the golden future of student, which is not very good. And my third point is lack of fund. Our government is providing a lot of fund for education for in school, but there are some stupid people who are eating all the fund, and it reaches in very little amount to students. And my fourth point is lack of quality full teacher. It means to say that the teacher who taught in government schools are not very well educated. They get their job by giving bribe. They are playing with the golden futures of students. And my fifth point is lack of awareness. It means to say that in rural areas, many of the people think that what will their child do if he or she get proper education. They think education is loss of money and loss of time, which is not correct. This thinking is keeping our society backward. And my sixth and last point is our education system is totally theoretical than practical. It means to say that the Indian education system is totally based on lectures and period which are totally theoretical. There is very less scope to practical works. The invention which have already done are repeating in school. There is no new scope to new invention. So this is all about my topic. Thank you so much all of you for listening me so much carefully.